2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, rear window wiper. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.